Yeah. Some real shit, man. Where I come from, respected like a real OG. Few raps and a gun on me. Keep shit on me. Why these lanes wanna shit on me? Wanna see a nigga RIP. Keep it all way G. I'ma do it like a young Ali. They know the boy I don't need ID. I do it B.I.G. Thank God every day I see. Keep it all way G. I'ma shine cause I know they mad. Middle finger tell them kiss my ass. When I was on my last, they was talking about the boy so bad. You know damn well that shit won't pass. I never trip on that. Young nigga had to jump right back. Real niggas know that this all facts. I gotta keep my strap. Sick and tired of being stabbed in the back. For the cheese, gotta feel to the rats. I was only 1800 G's in that brand new lat. Told my city that I'd be right back. I just can't relax. Fuck that, I ain't cutting no slack. Fuck a defense, I run through sacks. I got my mojo back. Hood nation, the time is now. Heard some people trying to calm us down. I want them commas now. Good lord, man, this Doja loud. Think it's funny when them hoes around, huh? Shit. All this ice on my neck and my collar. Had a dream and a dollar, never seen as a scholar. Shit, more money, more problems. Came with a crazy baby mama. Don't really get no sleep. I've been up late thinking other ways to eat. Cause my team and my kids, they depend on me. I depend on them, we depend on us. Got me riding through the city knowing God I trust. Came a long ways from my mama driving a bus. Couldn't name other niggas that was liver than us. Name rang in my city, case they call him a bluff. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, trying to squeeze all the juice out of life itself. Had to get the shit right at the time I left. They don't wanna see you win, you can save your breath. On a motherfucking mission of redemption. The devil calling and I'm trying to resist it. I gotta smile every time I see the wristlet. They tryna shut a nigga out, I've been a misfit. I've been praying. Hennessy and Kush the man. Everybody ask yo ace, why you never with them rap guys? Why you never in the media? You mad underrated when these sucker niggas really gon' realize I'm just a different breed. Ain't no in between. I'm the quiet type. Flow on a dope pipe. Shining like a strobe light. I won't hold back. I'm respected like a real OG. Few racks and a gun on me. I keep the shit on me. Why these lame wanna shit on me? Wanna see a nigga RIP. Keep it all AG. I'ma do it like a young Ali. They know the boy I don't need ID. Do it B.I.G. I thank God every day I see. I keep it all AG. Nickel. I'm respected like a real OG. Few racks and a gun on me. Keep the shit on me. Why these lame wanna shit on me? Wanna see a nigga RIP. Keep it all AG. I'ma do it like a young Ali. You know the boy, I don't need ID. Do it B.I.G. Thank God every day I see. Keep it all AG, nigga. Keep it all AG. I ain't God, nigga. Always. Hey. Y'all niggas know we started. That's 5, man.